If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you keep telling yourself, "Oh, I'm not ready yet," well, take this as your sign. You're not too late. You're not too old. You don't need to be more techy, more confident, more anything. You just need to start. Hi lovely people, and welcome to Learn with Nia. So I hear this all the time. I'll start when I've got a better camera. I'll start when I feel more confident on camera. I'll start when I know more about what I'm doing. But here's the truth. You learn by doing. And clarity comes from action, not before it. What you need to remember is that your first video won't be perfect. And the likelihood is that your first 10 videos won't be perfect either. But that's okay, because with every upload you get more confident. You get more clear and you get more connected. Because starting creates momentum, and momentum builds confidence. Your voice matters. You have stories, experience, insights that someone younger than you is really praying to hear. And the thing that feels too small or not expert enough for you could be the exact message that encourages someone else. So if you've been waiting to feel ready, this is your gentle nudge. Start with your phone. Speak from the heart and show up imperfectly. Because you'll be amazed at how far you can go once you just begin. And remember, I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. So let me know what's something that's been holding you back from starting. Let me know in the comments below and we'll work through it together. And if this video motivated you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. Especially if you need more encouragement and you're a new YouTuber over 40. I am here to help you. And I'll see you in the next one.